Hey diamonds, this is your girl Eva Tarae right back at you with another video. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can also become a part of the diamond family. While you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell so that you are notified as soon as I upload a video. Give me thumbs up for this super orange, warm, green look. I think orange and green are going to be my summer colors. What's going to be your summer colors, diamonds? Go ahead and put that in the comment section below. If you're interested in seeing how I created this, keep on watching. Off camera, I primed my lids with my Fit Me concealer in Cafe, and now I am setting it with my NYX HD finishing powder in translucent. I do want sharp lines, so I'm going to go in with my washi tape. I'm going to start off using my Morphe 35B palette and my BH Cosmetic blending brush number 12, and I'm going to work that orange in and above my crease. Shout out to Morphe. Their shadows are insanely pigmented and affordable. Especially this palette. Over the last few weeks, they have definitely become my go-to palettes. I have about 4 of them now, and you guys will be seeing looks from these all summer 18. You definitely want to take your time and blend these shadows out really well so that there aren't any harsh edges or harsh lines. It really will kill a look if it's not blended properly. Then I grabbed my 352 palette and used a blaze. I put that in my crease and slightly above. To cut my crease, I went back in with my Fit Me concealer in Cafe. The trick that I found with cutting your crease with a concealer, especially a thin one like this one, is take your time. Use the least amount that you can possible and use a brush to try to blend that out. I also use my finger as well. I then went back into my 352 palette and grabbed Sauce to apply that all over my lid. Now in that same palette, I'm going to go back and grab a blaze and blend that in the edges, patting and using short side-to-side strokes just to kind of even things out and blend it really well. I wanted a touch of glitter, so I grabbed my NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner in Crystal Gold. I'm going to take my MAC 208 brush and I'm going to use that to separate the darker and lighter orange. I did find that using my MAC 208 over the applicator gave me better control over the product. So if you ever want to use that glitter or that type of glitter that has a brush applicator, I do recommend using an actual brush instead of the applicator itself. I am going to go in with my favorite liquid eyeliner at the moment. It's the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. Now that I'm done with my liner, I'm going to take off my washi tape. I also took a baby wipe to clean up some of the fallout that I had before I start my foundation. Off camera, I did go ahead and apply some falsies. I did use my Huda Beauty Sasha number 11. For my foundation, I used my Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 360 Mocha. I also used for my highlight the Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. As usual, for my bronzer, I use my Estee Edits Barest bronzer in medium deep. For my lower lash line, I did go in with my MAC PowerPoint eye pencil in Forever Green. And then I also topped that with that Wonder Woman MAC palette Vigilance. And I believe the color is Valiant. For my inner corner highlight, I did use my Clean Slate Cosmetics highlight. It's a whipped highlighter in the color Melanin Glow. Alright, diamonds, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And as always, until next time. You know I like it when you're mad at me. I know you